friends, namaste, welcome to our channel. And then myself, Tolete Surya Sai Kalyan. And then friends, it's a long gap of time after I have to start for the general intelligence and reasoning. And then friends, on for this video, we have to discuss for the subject wise because of the in previous videos and the part 1, part 2, part 3 and then coding parts we have to discuss for the all types of questions, all types of patterns, the all types of questions will have the bulk into on the important questions we have to discuss there on for the previous videos. But someone persons in comment section, brother, we have to discuss for the individually subject wise video given for that. So that too, now we have to start for the new season. That means the every subject, and that means the in general intelligence reasoning part is taken as for the one of the video for the ranking, and then comparison, and then coding, decoding, and then say blood relations. On for this kind of there we have to take in for the on particular topic that have to discuss for the suppose we have to know, we have to take in for the in ranking method. In this ranking method, number of methods, and then number of patterns, and the number of formulas we have to use for the calculate the sums in different ways. So that too, now in this video the ranking method and then comparison method we have to discuss there on for this video. And continue on for the ranking method to complete the overall in subtopics of their in ranking method. So okay, we have to discuss for the ranking. Okay, on this ranking and then comparison method discuss for the part 1 and part 2, maybe complete also on part. So okay, so now friends, okay, taking for this question. Okay, see you there. Okay, in this ranking method different patterns and then different comparison methods and then marking method, numbering methods also there. So that we have the first question is taken for the one of the simple question, and then these video taking for the questions have the mostly asked questions, repeated questions, and then particular methodology questions we have to take in for this. So okay, please still watch for the till end. Okay, okay, there are four persons A, B, C and D. The total amount of money with A and B together is equal to the amount of money with C and D. Okay, I know total amount of money A and B is together equal to the amount of money with C and D. The total numbers is for the persons, four persons A, B, C and D, but the total amount of money on for this problem, okay, money A and B is together equal to the C and D. The two A plus B is equal to the C plus D. Okay, okay, but the total amount of money with B and D is together more than the amount of money with A and C. So okay, B and D is more than the amount of A and C. So okay, so D is greater than of A, C. Okay, that means B, D is greater than of B and C. Okay, they have taken for the two groups AB plus CD, but BD is the more money greater than of the A and C. So okay, and then the amount of money A is more than the B. A is more than the B. Who has the least amount of money? Okay, least amount of money, who has that person? So okay, that means A is greater than of B. Okay, write down for this. A is greater than of B. Amount of money with A is more than of B. So okay, and then D is always greater than of A. So because of, in this case, B and D is together is more than of amount of A and C. That too, D is high. Okay, and then the amount of money is A is more than of B. Okay, that too, C is the least. Okay, I have no taken for the numbers one at least. Okay. Four, three, two, one. Okay, that too, 5, 5. So equal చేసాం ఇక్కడ. So that too, and then B and D. So okay, 2, 4. So greater than A and C, 3, 1. So have to given for the numbers on for these alphabets. Okay, and then A is the 3, B is the 2. So that too, A is greater than of B. So okay, now we have to the 4, 3, 2, 1. So who is the person? The least amount of money. So that person is from the C. Okay, friends, on this problem, okay, this is the fully ranked ranking problem. So okay friends, I have to tell for the one of the formula. That formula is for the, in ranking section, on have formula have the x equals to A plus B minus 1. Okay, A plus B minus 1. That means is A and then B and the minus 1 is for the, in ranking method, A is for the given on for the that problem have the some number, B is some number that have for the total number minus 1 that equals to on for that. So okay, we have to see for this problem on for the directly. Okay, okay, Manisha ranked 16th from the top and 29th from the bottom among these who passed an examination. Okay, Manisha ranked 16th from the top. Okay, 16th from the top and then 29th. Okay, top, 29th from the bottom. 6 students, okay, 6 students do not participate in the competition. Okay, 6 students does not have participate this competition, and then 5, okay, and then 5 students failed in it. Okay, 5 students have their failed on this examination. Okay, and then how many students were there in the class? Okay, taking for the one person is the Manisha, is 16th rank from the top and then 29th rank from the bottom among these who passed the examination. Okay, 6 students do not participate. The 6 students do not participate in the competition, and then 5 students have the failure. X equals to A plus B minus 1. Okay, that too, total. The total is for the Manisha has ranked is the 16. Okay, plus 29. 16 plus 29. Okay, minus 1. Okay, calculate that. 16 plus 29 is for the 45 minus 1 equals to 44. Okay, 44. In these options 40, 44, 50, 55, but not getting for the answer for the 44. And then we have there the 6 students do not participate in the competition, and then 5 students have the fail on this examination. Then how many students were there in the class? That too, in this 44, in this 44 plus 6 and then plus 5. These students also have a in class, but 6 have the does not participate, and then 5 students have the fail on for these examinations. So okay, that too we have the total add 44 plus 6 50 plus 5 55. So that too the total students in this class is for the 55. That means the option D. Okay, on for this problem, this is the ranking. Okay, I think we are also a understand for this question, understand for this pattern, and then formula also. The please note down for the your small book on for this formula. I have also given for the description this formula for the ranking x equals to a plus b minus 1. Okay, friends, and then now we have to discuss for the on for the north region, south region, east and west. That means the in this ranking and then comparison method, one of for the this kind of thing. Okay, okay, north side, east side, and then west side, and then south side, facing methods. These problems you have to coming on for the facing of the east or facing of the west, and then south or the north. Okay, that means the row facing. This type of method is naming from the row facing methods. Okay, row facing methods. Okay, row facing methods. Okay, now we have to discuss. Now we have to discuss. Friends, 6 boys A, B, C, D, E, F. Total numbers is for the 6. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, are sitting in a row facing west. We have now for the west. The west is for the west. Okay, in this kind, right is upper right position, and then left position is for the okay. I have to facing for the west. Okay, facing for the west. Okay, D is adjacent to A and C. Okay, now D is adjacent to A and C. Okay, and then B is just right of C, but left of F. Now we have in these kinds of things, D is just adjacent of A and C. Okay, we have to write it on for this pattern. We have in ulta, that is for the C, D, A. This is for the alternating methods. Okay, now B is just right of C. Okay, C. Okay, we have to facing for the west, right is for the upper portion. Okay, C. Okay, B is the just right of C. In the C, right is for the upper kind of the D. So that too we have note on for the place on the B. That too in this case is for the not applicable. But we have to ulta for the C, D, A. But we have to see the B is the just right of C. That means the C is the upper portion of the right. That too we have to write for the B on for the C upper position. Okay. Okay. We have now B is just right of C. Okay. We have C for the so facing for the west. Up position is for the right, and then down position is for the left. Okay. Okay. C is for the right on for the B, and then but left of F. That means the position of F. These are facing for the west. Okay. E is not at the right end. Okay, these are for the right end, but E is not at the right end. So automatically E is for the left hand. Okay, left hand. Okay, O is the right end. So that means the O is the right hand for the till end. That is for the F position. Okay. So the option B is okay. Now friends, we have to discuss for the in different method. So this type of problem has the most important, okay, most important. So because of I have the given for the number of stars, because of the these type of problems asked for the many competitive examinations, discuss for many of the times, asked for the many of the times. So more than I think in the previous 30 years of the paper, I see for this type of question nearly 18 times. So that too, we have to please watch for the clearly, and then you have to for the any doubt in comment section, please to post it. I have discussed for the next video or then alternate for that comment section also, because of this is the most important. So because of the in previous question I have the back question facing for the north and then south and then east west, these facings have the for the have given for the one of the face, the east or west or north or south, but these type of questions does not given for the which face for the numbers. Okay, have to see there in a row at a bus stop, in a row at a bus stop. So please listen carefully. Okay, in a row at a bus stop, A is the 7th from the left and B is the 9th from the right. They both interchange their positions. So you have the taken with the two numbers, either boy or girl. I have the sitting from the 7th position and 9th position, and then after some time we have to have the boy and girl have the interchange their places, and now it become 11th from the left, and the left person we have for the interchange have changed from the C on for the 11th position, and then how many peoples are there in the row. So okay, okay, I have to understand for this question, and then okay now, but in this question peoples, persons which face on for the positions does not taken there in this question. That means we have to face for the east, we have to face for the west or the north or then south, does not represent, that does not given for question. Now that too we have taken on for the north, we have taken on for the north facing. Okay, we have taken on for the north facing. That too, this is for the right and this is for the left. Okay, okay, this is for the right, this is for the left positions. Okay, I have to take in for the face on for the north position, automatically taken that, and then that too have the right side and then this is for the left side. Okay, now A is the 7th, A is the 7th, A is the 7th from the left. Okay, left for this side. Okay, have the left and then right. Okay, have to see for the observe carefully. Okay, they both interchange their positions. Only for the A and B have the interchange their positions. That too, this is for the B and then this is for the A. So interchange. Okay, we have to interchange for the positions, and now A is okay, and then now A is 11th from the left. Okay, then A is the, this is for the left, 11th, so that too they have the 11th position, 11th from the left. On for that conditions, these for the eliminate. Okay, that too total equals to 11 plus 9 minus 1. Okay, so A is the 11th from the left, so these left have the 11th. Okay, that too have the left. Okay, 11 plus 9 20 minus 1 19. Okay, so 11 plus 9 equals to 20 and then minus 1 is for the 19. So I have the option for the taken C. So have the taken for the 19 or also have the given option. We have also taken for the answer is for the 19. Taken option for the C. Okay, all your doubts are clear. In this video the four types of and then four different types of methodologies we have to discuss for the in the ranking section and then comparison section. So ranking and comparison, so both have the similar. That too, this chapter is for the name is for the ranking. We have discussed for the four methodologies. Okay. On for the next part, we have to discuss for the another four methodologies. Okay. In this ranking method, total for the 8 types of methodologies. Okay. And then I have here taken for the how to solve for the problem. The how to solve for the problem within immediately, and then short of time we have to see for the directly to see answer on for the options, and then note for the particular patterns and simple tricks are not for the preferred for the examination, because of that is a not correct way. We have to observe, we have to practice for the in particular manner, in particular way. That too, you have see for this question, we have immediately we know for that. So which pattern have to taken for this exam, which pattern is taken for this problem, have to solve for the immediate answer. So okay, that type of patterns, that type of solving methods I have to discuss for these videos. Okay, I think we do for the understand for this video. Do you like this section? And then share your friends दोस्तों के share लिए. Okay, the please to share for the your दोस्तों. Okay, and then subscribe for this channel and then activate for the bell icon for the more updates on for this channel. And then Surya Technique Academy will give you a important and then mostly asked questions pattern on for this season. Okay, please to subscribe and then share your friends, because of in this video lectures we have for the in simple way and then learn to free in simple way. And then Surya Technique Academy concept is for the learn to free in simple way. No for the any fear on them features or there. Learn to free in simple way. Okay, please to share your friends and then subscribe and activate bell icon. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.